going on, guys? Your boy Anthony Handyman back with another video. It's Friday. We're getting to it. I'm just going to explain everything to you guys. So this part of the roof, it's really, this all was like an add-on, so it came up right here. So we're taking all this wood down flat right here. We're going to close it off with plywood, and then we're going to clean this up and put plywood over that, and then put the roll down roofing down, seal it up good. And then there's some work on the bottom that needs to be done also. Bring it all down there real quick. It's the other side of it. So that's right up there is where my brother's at right now, pulling all that down. So we're gonna close all that out because they having leaks right there. They had it tarped up and stuff, but so then we're gonna close all this up with paneling. Close all this up. I'm gonna run 2x4s up here under the soft roof for bracing. And then run 2x4s this way. And then we're putting up all this paneling right here. And this is the baseboard to go around. I'll see what's going on, man. Let's get to it. No direction book for this. It's all different. Here, so 2x4 here, so we can lay down on it and then try to get one off flat against here somehow. I'd have to cut some of that off. Back in effect. Try this at home, kids. All right, guys, you see how we're doing this? We just put some braces across, and then we're putting a plywood across it, and then we're gonna put the rollout on it. My phone's dying, so I gotta get back to y'all, man. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know what y'all doing. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, leave a comment. I just finished. It's not perfect, but it wasn't meant to be perfect. Meant to just seal it up. We just put this on here because we had the extra plywood and the extra rollout, so we just made that. But that piece is going that y'all seen from the beginning though. I'm not my roofer by far, but I got it done. That piece is missing. So this is all complete. And it was a pickle in here. AC's in, works.
Yep.
There's some stuff in there.
That hurt me.
Yep. We had it on, so I know it gets cold.
Yeah.
Yep, so everything's done.
Well, it's nice and quiet.
Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. Leave a comment. I'm out, man. It's tired. It's Friday. I'm going.